and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Today we're doing another palette review on the Urban Decay On The Run little mini series. So yesterday I did a review on the G-Train palette, and if you guys haven't seen it yet, go watch that video. Today we're doing it on the Highway Queen palette, which is the orange themed palette. It's so pretty, and this packaging, so cute. I'm so excited to play with this palette. They really intrigued me, so that's why I bought them. Duh. But these are $25 palettes. There is 8 shades in here, and you really can do a lot with them. Like this palette specifically, you could go for like several different looks just with these shades. So let's open up this one. Packaging, so pretty. Very, very pretty, and this is what it looks like on the inside. I feel like you don't have as many options with this one to create a ton of different looks, but you can do something with these shades up here and then pick a shimmer down here, ultimately making 4 different looks, you know what I mean? But anyways, I'm very excited to get into this and start playing. So if you guys love eyeshadow palette videos, reviews, eye looks, spoilers, unboxings, hauls, give this video a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. It would mean the absolute world to me. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so let's talk about the shade names. So let's go ahead and go through and show you. So we have the shade Coast, Highway Queen, Shag Van, Road Soda, Backseat Babe, Pull Over, Rest Stop, and Roswell. Here are the shades. They're very, very pretty. I do enjoy these a lot. Very neutral, but also have that tinge of orange to them. So right up my alley to go along with blue eyes. So I'm gonna get you closer and we're gonna get started on the look. Okay, so I'm very excited. Let's start out with the shade Coast, and we're just going to apply it all over the lid. And I'm just going to work it all in my crease, and then I'm just going to bring it down to the bottom of my lid so I can cover all of my area. Perfect. And then just like my other video and a few of my other ones, I'm going to focus only on this eye so the video is not extremely long. Okay, so now we have a nice little wash of color on the eyelids. I'm going to take Highway Queen and I'm going to pull it in my crease and bring it up just a little bit, because with this palette, I want to try and create some like depth because I'm feeling fancy today. So I'm just going to apply it in my crease and just a little bit above. And this shade is a lot more pigmented than I originally thought it would be. This is Highway Queen. Did I just say that? I don't even remember. I'm just really excited to play with this palette. See, that was really easy. It didn't take much effort at all, and the color is laid out so beautifully. Okay, so now I want to take the shade Road Soda and apply it to my crease as well, but I want to put it just underneath the other shade that we did. Do you see that depth we have going on right now? We have some Johnny depth. I don't know. Okay. Okay, so now that we're done with that, I'm going to take the shade Shag Van and put it in my outer corner here. And I'm going to do the V technique where I V it and apply it into my, what is this called? The crease, and blend it so we can have a nice kind of like a smoked out look. Very pretty. I'm actually very impressed with this palette so far, and nothing is patchy. Everything is blending like a dream. So thumbs up for a very good non-patchy palette. Yay, we love that. Okay, so now that we're done with that, oh god, I hate having 2 different shaped eyes. Like, It just never matches. It's really annoying. But anyways, so now we're going to take the shade. I don't know if we want to go with these two or these two. How are we feeling? Let's just swatch them and see exactly how we're feeling. Let's just do a claw swatch. Okay, that's terrible. Okay, here we go. Let's just see what we want to do. Oh, wow. Here's our claw swatch. I don't want, you know what? I don't know what to do. They're both so pretty because I want to take one of the darker shades and put it on my outer and then the lighter shade on my innard. So I don't know what to do. It's like, what do we want to do? Okay, so I'm going to go with something, decisions. Okay, we're going to take Roswell and we're going to put it on the outer corner. Very pretty. Now I'm going to take the shade Rest Stop and put it in my inner and meet it up with the shade Roswell. So for the look I'm trying to go for, I feel like these two kind of like mesh a little too much. So I'm going to go ahead and take the shade Pull Over and I'm going to apply that to my outer corner. Okay, that's more of like what I want. So I think that the shade Pull Over does its own like really nice foiled look job itself, but I want to do more of like a foiled look for the shade Rest Stop. So I'm going to reapply it, but I'm going to wet my brush so I can really get that wet effect that I am wanting, because I just want this look to be more ba-bam in your face, you know what I mean? So we're going to do that and try to really brighten it up some. See, that looks so much better on this side. I do happen to like how this eye look is turning out now that I have done that little color switch and the foiled look. I do have to say there is some fallout on my face, and that started when I put the shade Roswell on my face. So, and that's the only one that I had fallout. Like you can see, there's fallout all underneath my eyes. So I'm gonna try and wipe it away and hope for the best. So wish me luck. Okay, so it wiped away a whole lot better than that green shade did yesterday with the other palette, because that one, when you wiped it away, it literally like stuck to you. So that's good. Now I'm gonna do my lower lash line, and what do we want to do? I think we want to keep it like really fiery looking and take the shade Shag Van and just do the whole lower lash line with it. Whoops, I got pigment in my eyes. I do like how like fiery this is. Like, it's like intense. It looks like the back of this palette. It's just, I don't know what this is supposed to be, but it looks like fire. I don't know. And you know, it didn't take very much for Shag Van to really stick and like apply to my under eye, so I do really appreciate that. But yeah, and there wasn't like hardly any like powdery mess in the pan, which I completely appreciate. And I did put a wet brush back into this pan, and I didn't hit hard pan because a lot of the times I'll hit hard pan like right away and it sucks. So I am very impressed with that, and I really like this like fire look that I have going on. Like I literally look like fire, and I like that. Well, maybe not fire, but I look really like Vabam, you know what I mean? So I'm going to, I guess, put on some liner and mascara and finish off the look. So yeah. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished eye look using my Urban Decay On The Run Highway Queen palette. I think it turned out so freaking good. Like, it looks so pretty. And yeah, I really do like it. So if you guys liked it, let me know your thoughts and all of that down in the comments. If I had to compare which one I like more out of the new Urban Decay releases, I would have to say I do kind of like the orange one better. I do really like the look that I created, but the G-Train shade was just patchy, which is something that, you know, happens with green shades. But I think this one's the winner. I like this one a lot more. Everything blended so much better, and I did actually wind up using all the shades except for this one, but this one's a very beautiful shade as well. So yeah, leave me your thoughts and comments in the comments below. But anyways, that is it for the video. If you loved it, please give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. It would mean the absolute world to me. And let me know what palette is brand new that you guys want me to buy, because you know I'll buy it, and I will do a review on it. So anyways, that is it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!